Hanuman Madad, for example. You know Hanuman is the Hindu god, the monkey god, yeah? Or the Ganesh, the elephant god. Okay, Ganesh Madad. Ya Ganesh Madad. He doesn't have to believe that Ganesh is the one who is actually going to save him. The fact that he says Ya Ganesh Madad is shirk. It's over. Okay. Because Allah says فَلَا تَدُعُوا مَعَ اللَّهِ أَحَدًا. Allah says do not. Allah is not saying don't think of them as Allah. Allah is not saying don't even think of them as Allah. Allah is saying don't call anyone other than Allah. That's it. It's game over. Don't call. Allah is saying do not call. So why would I even get into people's minds? What do you mean when you call Ganesh, when you call...
It's just that they say that...
When Catholics pray to Mary, make dua to her, yeah? Is that shirk or not?
If they think there's a deity...
No. The Quran says it's shirk. Let me inform you. The Quran says it is shirk. Praying to Mary or praying to Jesus is shirk akbar. It takes you out of Islam.
Worship of them, yes, this is shirk.
Ad-du'a huwa al-ibadah. And Allah is saying, فَلَا تَدُعُوا مَعَ اللَّهِ أَحَدًا. Do not call upon. Dua is calling. It's nada. Dua is calling. Ya Ali Madad. Ya Ali Madad. This is nada. Al-Madad.
Problematic, yeah.
Ya akhi, this is shirk. It is shirk akbar. It takes you out of Islam. If you call upon anyone other than Allah, this is what separates Islam from other religions. Islam's unique feature. Islam's special feature. Islam's uniqueness is in Tawheed, that we are strictly dedicated to Allah. We do not play games when it comes to the rights of Allah. This is not about Wahhabis and Sunnis and Shia. This is about Allah, what He revealed to us in the Quran. Allah is saying, only me. Only me. And if you call anyone else other than me, you're a mushrik. Full stop. So the Catholics, for praying to Mary, okay, are mushrikeen. Just like the Shia who pray to Fatima. When they say Aghithini, Ya Zahra, Ya Fatima, they are mushrikeen. Because if they are right and if they can do this, then so are the Catholics. The Catholics can also pray to Mary. No problem. Okay, so Allah condemns the Catholics in the Quran for doing this. Allah says in Surah Ma'idah, did you, O Isa, did you say to people, Ittakhiduni wa ummi ilahin min dunillah? Which Christian on the planet says Mary is God? Which Christian says on the planet?
Yeah, they don't make her a deity, right?
How do they make her a deity? By praying to her.
Yes.
And Allah says in Surah Al-Ma'idah, did you, O Isa, tell your people, Ittakhiduni wa ummi ilahin min dunillah? Did you say to people, make me and my mother ilahin, two deities besides Allah? Allahu Akbar. Isa alayhi salam, the Quran tells, he says, Ya Allah, I never said anything like this and you are better aware than I am. Right? So here, this is Tawheed. Anyone praying to Mary is a direct contradiction with Tawheed. Anyone who prays to Ali bin Abi Talib radiallahu anhu, anyone who prays to Fatima radiallahu anha, anyone who prays to Hussein or Abbas or all these names, okay, such a person is a mushrik. You can dance, you can strike your cheeks, you can strike your chest, you can do what you like. It doesn't change the fact that you are upon shirk.